晏晝4點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺晏晝4點，颱風暹芭集結喺香港西南偏西約330公里，即係喺北緯21.5度、東經111.1度附近。預料向西北移動，時速約16公里，移入廣東西部內陸。暹芭已經喺廣東省茂名市電白區附近登陸，並且逐漸遠離香港。本港風力正逐漸減弱。天文台會喺晏晝5點前改發3號強風信號。本港西南部風勢較大，離岸及高地間中吹烈風，同暹芭相關嘅外圍雨帶仍然會間中為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨。喺過去1小時，長洲、橫瀾島以及塔門分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時80、72以及67公里。最高陣風分別係每小時94、88以及81公里。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
4 p.m. Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast gale R storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 4 p.m., Typhoon Chaba was centered about 330 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.5 degrees north, 111.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 km per hour towards inland of western Guangdong. Chabi has already made landfall near Dianbai District, Maoming City, Guangdong, and is departing gradually from Hong Kong. Local winds are weakening gradually. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal, number 3, to replace the number 8 gale R storm signal. Before 5 p.m., it is windier over the southwestern part of the territory, occasionally reaching gale force offshore and on high ground. The outer rain bands associated with Chaba will still occasionally bring squally showers to Hong Kong. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Cheung Chau, Waglan Island, and Tap Boon were 80, 72, and 67 km per hour with maximum gusts 94, 88, and 81 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio for the latest weather information broadcast in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。